Submitting a case in DentalRx is already simple. But for doctors who submit dozens of cases a week, the same procedures, the same items, the same preferences over and over, even a simple form can feel repetitive. SmartSubmit is the submission experience supercharged. It is an add-on built directly to empower your doctors. It's designed for high-volume practices that want to move faster, stay more organized, and never start a case submission from scratch again. The add-on is called SmartSubmit, but for doctor readability, they see it as Quick Submit. The centerpiece of SmartSubmit is procedure templates. A template is a saved, reusable case setup. The department, the procedures, the items, the enclosures, even the shade preference. Everything your doctors would fill in, save with a name so they can load it instantly. Say your doctors do a lot of crowns. Instead of building that case from scratch every time, they save it as a template, crown, standard. Next time your doctor needs to submit that case, they open the template, fill in the patient name and due date, and they are done in seconds. Templates can be as specific or as broad as they need. Your doctors might have one per procedure type, one per department, or one for each of your most common case combinations. They can create as many as they need. To save a template, your doctors build their case normally in the submission form. Then click Save as Template instead of Submit. They give it a name and it's saved to their library. SmartSubmit also gives your doctors a draft system. Start building a case, save it as a draft, come back to it later. This is especially useful for your doctors because they're always busy. They start a submission, get pulled away, and instead of losing their work, they save it as a draft and finish it when they have a moment. Drafts are listed on your doctor dashboard and in the Quick Submit screen. They're kept for 14 days, so nothing gets lost. They can pick up exactly where they left off. SmartSubmit also has a super useful patient search feature. When your doctors are entering a case and start typing a patient name, SmartSubmit searches their previous submissions and suggests matching patients. They can select in patient and DentalRx automatically enters the patient name. This eliminates accidental double submissions and for practices with repeat patients. This alone saves meaningful time every single day. Favorites. SmartSubmit tracks which procedures and items your doctors use most often and surfaces them at the top of the selection list as favorites, marked with a star. Your doctors can also manually star any item to pin it to the top. No more scrolling through a long list to find the procedure they use every day. Their most used options are always right at the top. When SmartSubmit is active, doctors can configure their profile to receive an automatic copy of the prescription PDF by email every time they submit a case. It goes to their account email or a custom address of their choice, so they always have a record without having to download anything manually or pressing the Email Me a Copy button. In the Doctor menu Quick Submit, there is a simple guide that explains exactly how it works. Anytime they need a refresher on how it all works, it is right there waiting for them. SmartSubmit is for the practices that are all in on DentalRx. The ones submitting cases every day, multiple times a day, and want to do it faster, smarter, and with less friction. Templates, drafts, patient search, favorites, automatic prescriptions. Everything your highest volume doctors need to work at full speed. If you want to empower your doctor's case submittal further with all the tools they need, SmartSubmit is the answer. Contact Mainstreet Systems today to add SmartSubmit to your DentalRx subscription. Visit www.mainstreetsystems.net or call 215-256-4535.